I'm going to tell you something crazy. The old way of getting rich is completely broken. You know what I'm talking about? Go to school, get a safe job, and trade your entire life away for a paycheck for 40 years? That plan is dead. It's a treadmill that you can never get off of. And the one thing you can't buy back, your time, is disappearing forever. Are you sick of that feeling? That fear that if you stop working for even 1 second, all the money stops coming in? What if you could build a system that pays you 24/7? A system that makes you money while you're on vacation at the gym, or literally while you're sleeping. This is not a fantasy. This is passive income. And in this video, I'm giving you 5 real ways to build these money machines in 2026. These are the secrets to stop trading your time for dollars and make your money work for you. Section 1, passive income stream. Number 1, the foundation, dividend stocks, and ETFs. First, we have the absolute cornerstone of getting rich, dividend stocks. Don't click away. This isn't some complicated Wall Street secret. I'll make it super simple. When you buy a dividend stock, you own a piece of a company, and they literally send you free money, a piece of their profits, usually every 3 months. It's a paycheck just for being an owner. But this is where it gets insane. It's called compounding. You can take that free money and automatically buy more stock. Then that new stock pays you more money, which buys you even more stock. It's a wealth snowball that gets bigger and bigger all by itself. The easiest way to start? Dividend ETFs. They are like mystery boxes with hundreds of dividend stocks inside. So you're instantly diversified. Is it risky? Of course, the market goes up and down. But we're focusing on huge, established companies that have been paying people for years. In this economy, that kind of stability is everything. This is step 1 to making money automatically. Section 2, the Modern Landlord. Real Estate Investment Trusts, REITs. You want to collect rent checks every month, but you don't want to get a call at 3 a.m. about a broken toilet, right? That's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a total game changer. Think of a REIT as a cheat code to being a landlord with none of the work. These are giant companies that own thousands of buildings. Apartments, warehouses, shopping malls, everything. When you buy a share, you own a piece of all of it. And the best part? These companies are legally required to pay out 90% of their profits directly to you as dividends. They have to give you the money. You get all the perks of owning real estate, the rent money, the value going up, and you can buy or sell it in 2 seconds. For 2026, rates are something you have to watch. Experts are saying they could have a massive comeback. Huge trends like e-commerce and data centers are making warehouses and data center REITs explode. You can invest in the biggest trends in real estate with just a few clicks. By the way, if your mind is blown right now, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. This channel is all about giving you the secrets to building wealth. And what I have coming next is even crazier. It's free and it helps me a ton. Section 3, the stability play, bonds and bond funds. Okay, number 3 might not be the most exciting, but it's how you protect your money so you never lose. We're talking about bonds. Listen to me. If a stock makes you an owner, a bond makes you the bank. You're literally lending your money to the government or a giant corporation. They promise to pay you interest, and then at the end, they give you all your money back. It's that simple. The whole point of bonds is to be your fortress. They are way less crazy than stocks. So when the stock market is crashing, the interest from your bonds keeps paying you. It keeps the money flowing no matter what. This is how you protect everything you've built. And just like stocks, you can buy bond ETFs, which are just bundles of hundreds of different bonds. The money might not be as explosive as stocks, but their superpower is that they are ridiculously reliable. Think of it as the foundation of your money castle. It's not flashy, but it makes sure nothing can ever knock it down. Section 4, the high-yield disruptor, peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. Are you ready to take on more risk for way bigger rewards? Let's talk about peer-to-peer or P2P lending. For decades, banks have been ripping you off. They take your savings, pay you almost nothing, and then lend it to other people for a massive profit. P2P platforms. Cut out the bank. It's just you, lending money directly to other people. You get to be the bank. The prize is obvious. You can earn insanely high interest rates, way more than a bank would ever dream of giving you. The whole P2P market is exploding because people are tired of dealing with banks. But you have to listen to this. More reward means more risk. The main risk is that someone just doesn't pay you back. But here's the secret to winning. Diversification. P2. P sites let you spread your money across thousands of tiny loans. So instead of lending $1,000 to one person, you're lending $1 to 1,000 different people. If one person doesn't pay, who cares? It barely even makes a dent. If you understand the risk, this is an insane way to generate high-yield income. Section 5, the ultimate scaler, digital products. This last one is for anyone out there with a skill. I'm talking about creating and selling digital products. Think about it. An ebook, an online course, a workout plan. You build it once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. There's no warehouse, no shipping, and the profits are huge. You're probably thinking, that's not passive, that's a ton of work. And you're right. It takes a ton of work up front. You have to pour your time and skill into making something amazing. But you only have to do the work once. After it's built and online, it can make you money for years, with you doing almost nothing. The creator economy is changing everything. People want to buy things from people they trust, not giant corporations. You'll have to do some marketing, but by packaging your knowledge into a product, you're building an automated, scalable business that is 100% yours. So there you have it. 5 completely different, completely insane ways to start building automatic wealth in 2026. We cover the free money from dividend stocks, being a lazy landlord with rates, protecting your cash with bonds, the crazy returns from P2P lending, and the infinite money machine of digital products. Remember that feeling of being stuck, trading your entire life for a paycheck? These strategies are how you escape forever. Getting rich doesn't happen overnight. It starts with one choice. The choice to build systems where your money works for you. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius, and you don't need a fortune. You just need to start. If you're ready to take the first step, I challenge you to watch this video right here on how to buy your first dividend ETF for under $100. It is the perfect place to start. And make sure you subscribe, because my next video is all about how to find money for your first investment, even if you think you're broke. Thanks for watching. Now, go build your future.